Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to go through the top 5 best Forex brokers for spot metal trading. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy this video. Let's jump into it. Firstly, what is spot metal trading? Spot metals, such as gold or silver, can be traded through Forex brokers who provide spot metal trading, which allows traders to trade spot metal CFDs through the broker's platform. Gold, copper, and silver are more popular in terms of daily traded volumes, whereas platinum, aluminium, and steel are usually less frequently traded exotic metals. Now let's jump into the top 5 best Forex brokers for spot metal trading. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FXCM. FXCM is a fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, NinjaTrader, Zulu Trade, as well as FXCM's Trader Station, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXCM accounts are available on standard, mini, and active trader accounts with competitive spreads, lower leverage, lower minimum account opening balance, up to 39 tradable currency pairs on active or standard accounts, and more. FXCM also provides their very own educational center, which delves into Forex trading for beginners guides, training courses, a Forex educational video library, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to sign up to if you are looking for a more in-depth educational experience. Coming in at number 4 on our list, we have FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN0, ECN, and FXTM Pro accounts with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, and ebooks for you to learn, watch, browse through, and read as you please. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have XM. XM is another great online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, CFDs, commodities, indices, precious metals, energies, and shares. Their accounts feature micro, standard, XM ultra low, and shares accounts with a variety of base currency options, negative balance protection, lower spreads, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. XM also provides their very own educational learning center, which covers various in-depth trading lessons, videos and written guides, as well as a daily live streaming service and webinars that you can sign up to and take part in for a more personal educational experience. At number 2 on our list, we have FPMarkets. FPMarkets is an Australian, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, precious metals, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and raw Forex accounts with up to 50 tradable base currency options, metals, indices, commodities, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FPMarkets also provides their very own educational video tutorial library and a variety of ebooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies for you to browse through as you please. And at number 1 on our list of the best Forex brokers for spot metal trading, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's Web Trader, and for all your mobile trading activities, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, and more for you to browse through as you please. Avatrade have also won multiple awards such as the Best Forex Broker, the Best Trading Experience, Best Bitcoin and CFD Broker, the Best Affiliate Program, and many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online financial broker. And those are the top 5 best Forex brokers for spot metal trading on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.